Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer chicken drumsticks with Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. Let's begin. We have here 5 chicken drumsticks. We're going to season it with some salt, some garlic powder, and some black pepper. There we go. We're going to flip it over and do the same thing. There we go. We season both sides. Next we'll need Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. We're going to pour some into a bowl. There we go. We're going to put the barbecue sauce on the side for right now. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the chicken drumsticks. But before we put it in, we're just going to spray some cooking oil into the basket. There we go. And take the chicken drumsticks and put it in. There we go. Now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 23 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 10 minutes so far. Let's flip it over. Now flip it over. There we go. We flipped it over. Now let's put it back in for the last 13 minutes. It's been a total time of 20 minutes so far. And now let's add the barbecue sauce. We're going to take some of the sweet and spicy barbecue sauce and apply it. We're going to flip it over real quick. Okay, now we're going to apply the barbecue sauce on the other side. There we go. And now let's put it back in for the last 3 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been a total time of 23 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking great. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer chicken drumsticks with Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. Thanks for watching.